Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video. It's simple. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, now I'm on youtube.com. Click on your channel icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Now go to your videos, click on contents. Here you can choose the video whatever you want. Now I'm going to add sections to this video. Now click on edit. You need to go to edit the video. Here in the description you need to add different time spots for your video. It's up to your video, but you must begin with the 000. It's compulsory. So then I will add different time spots for my video, and it's different, it varies according to your video. Okay, let's see. I'm doing just for example, then you can get an idea how to do that. Okay, I'm add 000 introduction, then 120 first topic, then 230 second topic, and 5:30 at end. That's it. Now you need to save it and go back this video and go to the video on youtube.com. Yes, it's working. You can see here introduction, then first topic, then second topic, and end. It worked. It's very simple. Here also you can see the description, that how it is. It's very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Have a good day.